Hello, everybody. Welcome in your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, October 10th, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're with us for your TF headlines on this Thursday. Let's get started. 2024 City of Fitchburg Referendum informational sessions continue. If you missed this past Wednesday's one, don't fret. There's more to come. And you can check out past ones. So we'll tell you about that in a minute. The next in-person informational session will be on October 17th at 6 p.m. at Fitchburg Fire Station number 3, 2950 South Scion Road here in Fitchburg. October 21st at 6 p.m. will be at Four Winds Farms, 5735 Adams Road in Fitchburg. Then on October 28th at 6 p.m. will be a virtual meeting to close off our 7 sessions that have been going on all this month into the month of September. And again, if you can't make it to one of these, or you want to check out one of the past ones, we're taping them all, make them all available for you online at our website, fitchburgwi.gov. Go to the referendum page and you'll find the links to those videos, plus information on the referendum, your questions, and more. And if you have any additional questions, you can email our city administrator, Chad Brecklin. He'd be happy to answer those questions. Fitchburg Fire Department has their open house coming up this weekend. Want to remind you of this. It is time for the annual Fitchburg Fire Rescue Open House. Mark your calendars, Saturday, October 12th. Stop by the Fitchburg Firehouse number 2. That is different than past years. Between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. to join us for the fun. We'll be right across from Oak Bank's Great Pumpkin Giveaways, so you can double up the fun by going to their event and going to the fire department event, or going to the fire department's event, then go to their event, or you could do both. Whatever you want to do, you should check it out. It's going to be a lot of fun. Fire Station 2, by the way, is located at 2931 Marketplace Drive here in the city of Fitchburg. Look forward to seeing you out there. I know I'm going to be out there filming this event, so I hope to see you out there and having fun. All right, over to our friends at the Fitchburg Senior Center for coffee, bananas, and more from Latin America. Wednesday, October 23rd. Nevertheless, we are all familiar with crops that are grown in our area, but what about foods that come from different parts of the world? Join Joe Fahey. He'll take you behind the scenes of Latin America to learn more about growing and harvesting crops such as coffee, bananas, sugar, cocoa, and yes, much more. Wednesday, October 23rd, 1 p.m. No registration required for this. It is at the Fitchburg Senior Center. Over at the library, I jumped the gun here, but this one's pretty cool as well. The Titantic menu. This is very interesting. This is a culinary journey through the ingredients and recipes of the world's most influential passenger ship. I mean, we all know this ship. We've heard the story, right? Delve in to the letters that first class Titanic passengers wrote to loved ones at home, describing their elaborate lunch feasts and other delicious delicacies. Study the density difference menu types from first, second, and third class. And how are they different? What are some items that are still enjoyed today? Well, you're going to get to check out all of this. This is going to be so much fun. And you're going to learn more about this through a presentation and the different foods that were eaten on that Titanic thing. Nevertheless, October 26th, 10:30 a.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library. You definitely are going to want to come out and see this. It sounds like a pretty cool thing, and it's just crazy to think that information was shared, before the ship sank. So definitely want to check this out. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I heard you get to try some things too, so that's always a good thing, right? All right, friends of the Fitchburg Public Library used book sale is coming up next week. It starts on October 17th from 4 to 7 p.m. Friday, October 18th, it's 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then Saturday, October 19th, it's 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. with that bag sale Saturday only from noon to 2 p.m. where you can get a bag full of books for just $5. Proceeds benefit the Fitchburg Public Library. Been sharing fire safety tips all week. We're going to share some more right now. We start with appliance and electrical fire safety. It's hard to imagine a home without electricity. We take the utilities for granted, but there are fire risks that need to be considered. In 2021, it was estimated that 24,200 residential building electrical fires were reported in the United States by fire departments. These causes an estimated 295 deaths, 900 injuries, and over $1.2 billion in property loss. Did you know failure to clean 31% was the leading factor to ignition of clothes dryer fires in 2018 through 2020? That's a big one. When you think about appliance fires, you think of those dryers and not cleaning out the lint area or just keeping your appliances up to date. Definitely to do that because they do pose fire safety risks. Have a great day, everybody.